Pantry moth pheromone sticky traps let you detect flower and pantry moths early so you can stop infestations before they spread. Place traps where moths fly and larvae hide, such as the back and corners of pantry shelves and along baseboards, keeping them away from direct contact with food by at least a few inches. Peel the protective film and hang or lay the trap flat so the pheromone lure is exposed. The lure mimics a female moth scent and attracts adult male moths for monitoring and reduction of breeding. Replace the lure and sticky surface every month because the scent potency and adhesive both decline, and a fresh trap gives a clearer indication of ongoing activity. While traps capture adults, they do not stop larvae in jars and bags, so always inspect packaging seams, tear lines, and the undersides of boxes, then discard any contaminated goods in sealed trash or set them aside for disposal outdoors. For suspected but not visibly infested dry goods, freeze them at 0 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 4 days to kill eggs and larvae, or heat unopened packages at 120 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, if the packaging tolerates it. Clean shelves using a vacuum with a narrow crevice tool to remove eggs and webbing from corners, then wipe surfaces with warm soapy water and let them dry before replacing sanitized items. Common mistakes include putting traps directly on top of food, which risks contamination and reduces monitoring accuracy, so always keep traps off food surfaces and at the rear or sides of shelves. Another frequent error is failing to replace lures on a regular schedule, which leads to false security, so set a monthly reminder and change traps promptly when the adhesive fills or scent fades. People often overlook infested packaging and only treat the pantry itself. Check every jar, box, and bag, and either discard infested items or freeze or heat treat suspect products before returning them to storage. We run bighomeprojects.com, which connects homeowners with local contractors and offers practical how-to content related to pest prevention and home maintenance. Our site also hosts a discussion community where users and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and find work or hire help.